In this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Stellar Coin, ticker symbol XLM in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you're into your Wealthsimple account, make sure to go into your crypto account and go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. Then when you're on this screen, just scroll down a little bit until you come across trending categories and press on crypto. Then to invest into Stellar Coin, scroll all the way down to find Stellar Coin or ticker symbol XLM. So as you can tell, it's right here, ticker symbol XLM. I'll press on XLM right here. Then to buy it, just go press on buy at the bottom. Then on this screen, type in the amount of money in which you wish to invest into Stellar Coin. So if you wanted to press or do $1, just press on 1 and then press continue. Then to confirm your purchase, just go to the bottom and press on the confirm order, and that'll confirm your purchase of how to buy a Stellar Coin, ticker symbol XLM in Canada here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.